Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send dice in Monopoly Go. So let's get started. So the first step is to download Monopoly Go and make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. So after you have done that, open the Monopoly Go. Alright, so quick answer over here is you cannot send dice directly from Monopoly Go as it is not a feature in the current version. However, there might be an option in the future version, but as of now there is only one way which you can do that. So the first step is to invite 5 of your friends by sharing your Monopoly Go link, and after you have successfully done that, after they have logged into Monopoly Go, what you can do is go to community chest, and from there each of your friends will get 10 dices. So that is the only method by which you can share dices in Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.